welcome back to another video. So I've got one of these Morovan Polygel kits. Now this is supposed to be the 2022 updated version of this kit, because I did get this kit last year, this Polygel kit. The box is definitely different. I don't think the Polygels are different from what I can see on the Amazon. This is where it's from the Amazon listing. The Polygels are the same. I think it's just the lamp and the accessories and stuff that it comes with that are different. Excuse my hand, this one's empty, this one's not. So I'm going to give it a quick unbox, see what's new. So I think first, for a change, we'll look at the lamp. Normally do that last, don't we? Now I do remember the lamp in last year's kit was a good one. It was a bloody good little lamp. So this, I think, looks like the same one. Yeah, so it looks like the same lamp as last year. So it's got a UK plug and it's got the metal base. Look at the lights as well, they're really well placed. Yeah, I remember this lamp from last year. It's got a good weight to it. We've got a 5, a 30 and a 60. So you can use it as a 24 or a 48. Yeah, it's a really good little starter lamp for a Polygel kit. I remember that. So that's the same. Right, so there's a few bags of accessories. Right, so it looks like it's got quite a few accessories. So first we've got a box of jewel forms. I like that when they come in a box instead of a pack. Cool. So let's open one of these. Right, so we've got a file and a buffer. I hate that everything's in, like, that really didn't need to be in plastic. It's in a box. These really didn't need to be in plastic, inside another bag, inside another bag. Anyway, rant over. We've got a file and a buffer. We've got cuticle pusher, cuticle tool. We've got a cuticle fork, so that's to get rid of your dead skin around there. We've got some little nail clippers, and we've got some tweezers. Nice little sharp ones as well. Cool. Right, then we've got a brush, and it's a dotting tool. I've not seen one like this. So it's a dotting tool on that end and a brush on that end. Cute. And it's also got a Polygel brush. That's cool. So we've got your spatula picker tool on that end. Oh gosh, and your Polygel brush. I like that. It's a nice long one. Long and slim. I like that. Let's just shimmy some of this out the way. I'm going to need the room by the looks of it. This comes with all sorts. I can't remember exactly what the kit last year came with, but it didn't come with all this. So we've got a little glass dapping dish for your alcohol, slip solution, whatever. We've got some paper foams. And we've got a couple of clips. So they're to hold your jewel forms on. So they go around, yeah. They're to hold your jewel forms on. So we've got 2 of them. We've got some nail cleaner, special cleaning. So these are normally to remove your nails or to get all the dirt and oil off your nails. Cool, oh my gosh. Right, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of striping tape. So we've got like a bronze, a gold, a silver, a red and a blue. And the blue one is like a cracked glass hollow one. Can you see it? Wow. Right, we've got some glitters. So this one looks like a Christmassy one. It's got silver, gold, pink, purple, white, iridescent, big ones, small ones. They're quite cute. All different colour snowflakes. There's a lot of colours in there that I haven't got. So I like them. They're cool. And then we've got a little pot of what looks like iridescent, like an ice blue kind of colour, hex mix. Can you see it? Ooh, and we've got some gems, right? So these are glass. I like that. I hate when these kits come with plastic gems. Right, so these are glass. So we've got a row of transparent and a row of AB. And they have got the teeny diddy ones. I like that. I like that a lot. Can you see? These are like little dots. I get through these so much. So they will be very welcome. Oh, cool. We've got some rhinestone glue, right. So that is probably why we've got this brush with a dotting tool on the end. So you can use this rhinestone glue gel with it. I haven't got a pot like this. Last year's kit, actually. Last year's kit came with this rhinestone glue gel, look. In a little tube, which I've used this so much. I've used this a lot. It's brilliant stuff. So that's one thing I can confirm they've switched out. So it is now in a pot. So you use that. Oh, we've got an eyelash. A pieb. It's a pieb. You can use that to put little dots of glue on your nail for your gems. Brilliant. I like that. All these accessories are all packaged in these Ziploc bags as well. Right, so first, this is brilliant. We've got a nail prep dehydrator and an acid-free primer. They are big bottles as well. Non-acid, non-acid. So the dehydrator can be used on acrylic and gels, and the primer is for gels only. Brilliant. I like that. I like that a lot. You need this stuff for your nails to stay on, so that's a nice start. Right, then we've got your top and your base. Again, 10ml, big bottles. Right, then we've got a little bottle of slip solution. That's 30ml. Cool. So this is the same packaging as last year. So it looks like the Polygel is the same packaging as last year as well. So they're 15ml. So you get a pure and a P002. Pure is their clear. Then we've got a pink and a milky pink. Then we've got a nude and a brown. I'm going to give these a quick swatch just so we can see the colours in a minute anyway. And then there's the two. These are thermal. Pink, ombre pink to beige. It's not pink to beige, I remember. And an ombre purple to white. So let's have a quick swatch. So this is their pure, which is... And do you know something, guys? Morovan's clear, let me tell you, is very clear. Very, very clear. I've used it so much. Look at that. It is like Builder Gel clear. It is a fantastic clear polygel, but it is a little sticky. It is. So that's the clear. Then we'll do the P002, which I'm thinking is their white. Yeah, this is white. Pure white. Looks like a really opaque white as well. Right, then we'll do the pink. This looks like a nice pink. Yeah, it is. Oh, that looks quite opaque as well. It doesn't look too transparent, does it? I like it. Right, then we'll do the milk. This is a milky pink, if I remember rightly. Yeah, it's very, very pale pink. It's hard to see on camera, but it is just off-white, milky pink. I like it a lot, actually. I like that a lot. Right, so now we'll quickly do the nude. That's a really nice nude. I like that. That'd be a beautiful nail bed colour, wouldn't it? It's like a peachy kind of nude. I like it. This look, I would have called this brown nude, actually. I think this brown's more of a nude than that first one, isn't it? I like that. It's not a proper brown. That'd make a nice nail bed colour as well, actually. So I'm just going to do the ombre purple to white. Just show you what it looks like on its own. We'll see if the lamp changes its colour. If not, I'll show you it on swatch sticks. And I'll quickly do the other thermal, ombre pink to beige, while we're at it. So they have changed, look. So that has gone to a clear and that has gone to a white. So that one said, I can't remember which is which. So this was the purple to white. I wouldn't say it's white, it's milky clear. And that's meant to be ombre pink to beige. That's like a peachy colour, and it's not changed beige, it's changed white. But that's all the colours anyway. I love these. I love this milky off-white pink. I love this nude. And the clear. Where's the clear? I can't even find it. It's that clear. Look how clear that is. It's a really, really clear polygel. I remember last year I was really impressed with how clear it was. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. I think this is a fantastic little polygel kit, starter kit. The lamp is a really good one. I like this little addition. All the brushes, the glass gems, your cuticle tools and pushers and glitters, dapping dish, striping tape. I can't fit it all back on screen, guys, but yeah, I think it's a brilliant little kit. I'll leave the link in my description box. It's from Amazon. But yeah, we'll do something with it in my next video or the video after. I think my diary is full for the next couple of videos actually. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna leave it out and do something with it for sure. But yeah, that's it, guys. Just a quick unbox and swatch today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.